Welcome back to the tense series. This is chapter 3. Today we learn the present continuous tense. Right now, at this very moment, Priya is sitting at her desk. She is writing in her notebook. Her brother is talking on the phone. Her mother is drinking water. Everyone is doing something right now. What are you doing right now? Are you watching this video? Yes, you are watching. It is happening now. When something is happening at this very moment, not yesterday, not tomorrow, but right now, we use the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used for three things: something happening right now, something temporary, or happening around this time. The formula is subject, then is, am, or are, then the verb plus ing. Always remember, ing is the key. I am, he is, she is, it is. We are, you are, they are. Learn this table, it is very important. She is dancing in the room. Is dancing tells us it is happening right now. Present continuous tense. I am studying for my exam. Am studying means it is happening now temporarily, not forever, just for this time. They are not watching TV. For negatives, add not after is, am, or are. Are not watching, they are doing something else. Are you listening to me? For questions, put is, am, or are at the start. Are you listening? Yes or no? Quick quiz. Fill in the blank. He dash playing cricket now. Is it is, are, or am? Think carefully. The answer is A, is. He is he, she, it. So we always use is. He is playing cricket. Well done. Quick comparison. She reads every day. Simple present, a habit. She is reading right now. Present continuous, happening now. Let's recap. Present continuous for things happening right now. Subject plus is, am, are plus verb plus ing. Always ing. Next in the series, present perfect tense. It connects the past to the present. It is a very interesting tense. Don't miss it. If this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe so you never miss a chapter. Comment your quiz answer below. I will check it.
Ikut ya.